Hey y'all, what's good? This is your girl Nikki, the Bayou Chick, and I wanted to come and show you what I'm working on today. As you can see, I have some sweet potato slips in front of me. This is one that I have in a hanging basket that I took down because I wanted to show y'all. And the other one is in one of these orange pots that I picked up at the grocery store. The grocery store in my town, it's a small little town, and there's only one grocery store, and the guy that owns it, it's an Indian guy, and he buys all these little plastic containers. So I just stab holes in them and put some soil and plant whatever I want into them. And there's another one over there on the ground. So what I'm going to do is I've separated some of these already have in water to get a few more roots, but what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to plant them in some of these separate containers, and I'm going to plant some in another hanging basket, and then I have a grow bag that I'm going to plant some in as well. I have some potting soil in there. I'm going to add some slow release fertilizer, and yeah. So now I want some of my sweet potato slips to actually be used as ornamental vines because I love the foliage. It's so pretty, and that's what I'm going to use it for. And then some of the other ones I'm going to use, I'm going to pot up and I'm going to sell as slips to some of my friends who have been asking because they want to have some slips for when the spring comes around and they can plant them in their garden beds. So that's what I'm doing. So I have two different purposes in mind with my sweet potato slips, and I have some more in other baskets around the house, but just wanted to share these with you. Now I also stopped by Tractor Supply this morning because I need to pick up some farming supplies. Scoot back here. So I'm going to show you what I got on sale. Now the Burpee seeds were also on sale at Tractor Supply. Let's see, for instance, I picked up some more just because they were on sale. I just kind of, I couldn't really pass up a good deal. But like, say for instance, I think the most expensive one, Burpee seeds can get expensive. The most expensive one was like $3.50, and I got it for like $2, but most of them are like $1.87. So I got just a few different ones. But what I wanted to tell you was, okay, so these fertilizers were on sale for a really good price. Hold on, y'all, I'm gonna try to keep this still. I don't want to make y'all dizzy. Okay, so this was the Burpee Organic All-Purpose Granular Plant Food. As you can see, I got it for $1.19. One of the most important things that you want to look out for when picking up stuff on sale is the sale by date. So I always check that because there were a few that they did have that had expired in January of 2018. So let me show you. So this sale by date is October 24th, 18. So I still have about a little over 2 months that I can use this all-purpose granular plant food by Burpee. And I definitely will get this in. Especially because some of the plants that I have are going to be dormant, and so I like to fertilize them before they go into dormancy. I also picked up this Whitney Farms organic and natural all-purpose plant food. You can actually use this on plants and vegetables as well. Provides a protein-based nitrogen, so you see what all that's saying, and the expiration date on here. And this is a 342 fertilizer. Let's see, the use date on here expires January 4th, 2021. So I have quite a bit of time on this one. And I saw this brand at Ace Hardware, and they're pretty expensive. It looks like the regular price is $4.49, and I got it for $1.79. So that's not a bad deal for 4 pounds of plant food. And then this last one that I picked up was the Burpee Organic Vermiculite. And I use this to help with drainage, especially with my succulents. I had mentioned before that I use my very cheapest version of adding drainage is to use kitty litter instead of perlite or pumice stone. You can get it for $1 a bag at like Dollar General, some of these stores. So I do not normally go out and buy vermiculite, but since I caught this one on sale, I went ahead and picked it up. promotes faster seed and root growth, improves drainage and aeration in potting mixes. But you know, there's always more than one way to do anything. So I got 8 quarts of this for it says $2.79, but I know I didn't pay $2.79 for it. Let me see what I really paid for it, because you know me, I try to keep it real on the cheap side. What was it? Vermiculite. Y'all see this right here? $1.19. So it was even cheaper. So I probably I try not to be greedy and just take everything. I try to leave some for other people. I hope people get it, because you know, they're not gonna last forever, especially with expiration dates. So this one here was made in, it was made September 29th, 2016. That's not the expiration date, but these last quite a bit, because this is mostly, like I said, kind of like kitty litter. So it's actually inorganic. It's just saying it's organic because, you know, they put organic on anything. People feel like they're paying for a premium, and they don't mind paying for, you know, a higher price. But actually, this right here is an inorganic substance. So expiration dates, just like kitty litter, you know, it pretty much lasts you, I'm not gonna say forever, but it lasts a long time. So there is no expiration date on this, but there is a manufactured date. So those are just some things to look into. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop these potato slips up, and so I can use this bowl for something else, because I have some more things I have to do, some more vegetables that I have to get started. And here's some of the succulent rootings that I have, I mean the leaves that I have propagating right now. Some that I went ahead and potted up because they already have roots, and so they needed their own pot. And there you have it. Well, thank y'all for watching the video, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Oh, one thing I want to share with y'all real quick, actually it's most important. I want to tell you, you don't always have to start, I don't always start my potatoes in water, like with the 2-pick method. I really just don't do it. I've never seen my family do it when they do it, so I've never done it. All I really do is just cut half of a potato, and you can stick it in water. I have stuck it like, you know, like a glass Pyrex dish. I will cut half of it, lay it on the glass dish, give it about 10 days or so, and it'll start putting sprouts from the eyes. But with this particular batch here, all I did was cut the potato in half, put it in some soil, and just let it take off. Same thing with this one. I did not start it in any water. You can. Now it's somewhere around, oh, hold on, let me show you. I did take off some of the leaves, and there's some right here in the water, some of the vines, but and I do change the water every couple of days. You can do that as well, but I just want to show you, you don't always have to use the 2-pick and water method to get results. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, please put them down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.